Hey guys, this is Lomenzo Ready, your favorite accountant. We was disconnected on the live just a few moments ago, but I'm going live tonight to give you the 100K tax play for my truckers. I know you see the 100K tax play for real estate, but the trucking industry has one of the highest amount of expenses. So the play that I'm going to give you is going to save your trucking company 100K in taxes. Only thing you have to do is implement this strategy. So I'm first going to run down the three largest write-offs and how you can save 100K in your trucking company. My name is Lomenzo Reddick. I help truckers to increase their cash flow. I help truckers to reduce their tax bill. And I also help them to increase their profits where they can run a lean trucking company. So the first tax strategy or the first write-off that you should be keeping up with is per diem. So the per diem amount that is allotted is $69 per day. So if a trucker is on the road for 210 days, they get $69 per diem per day. So if you take $69 times 210, that brings that write-off, just this write-off, to $14,490. One of the biggest issues that I see is that my trucking companies do not keep up with their logbooks and per diem. So they really don't know what days they were on the road. They don't know how many days they were out. And this is some stuff that you should keep up with. The second tax strategy is fuel. Make sure that you're keeping up with those fuel receipts and your fuel costs. The average amount of fuel costs a trucker $53,000 a year. So if you're keeping up with your fuel and you're keeping up with your books, that's $53,000 that can be written off on your taxes. So the third strategy that I want to talk to you guys about the third tax strategy or the third write-off that will help your business to reduce its taxable income is your carrier fees. So typically a carrier fee is anywhere around 20% or more. So your carrier fees, which seems to be a pain to you, is also tax deductible. Many trucking companies, when I start reviewing their books, if they have a carrier, I don't even see that they even take this as a deduction when they file their taxes. So your carrier fees is a write-off that you need to implement on in your books and on your tax returns. So if you're making $175,000 in your trucking company, and your carrier charges you 20% on that revenue, then that's $35,000. So mind you, your per diem was $14,490. Your fuel cost was $53,000, which is based on the industry average. You may have more or less, and your carrier fees or your carrier expense was $35,000. So when you add those up, you come up to $102,490. That's reducing your taxable income. So mind you, I said that you made $175,000 in your trucking company. So if you just take these three write-offs, you are around a taxable income of $73,000. That is a huge, huge savings that many of my trucking companies don't implement. And as simple as it is, they don't do the accurate bookkeeping and record keeping to be able to take advantage of these tax strategies. So what I want to encourage you guys is, if you don't know how to keep up with your finances, if you're on the road too much, if you don't fully understand it, hire a trucking accountant. My name is Lomenzo Reddick. I specialize in trucking accounting. You can click the link in our bio. I'll be glad to schedule a strategy session to help you. I have a free tax deductions checklist. If you would like that checklist, if you're on YouTube, you can click the link below and I can give you access to that checklist, or you can just you can leave a comment, or you can You can leave a comment and say checklist. I'll get your emails and I can send you that. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, you can DM us the word checklist and I'll be glad to sit that out for you. But I would recommend my trucking companies in this industry and in this economy. It's important that you guys keep up with your books and make sure that everything is accurate. I just gave you a 100K tax play. If you caught this live late, go back and look it. Share this out to someone that you know that you can help. I'm accepting clients for this tax season. If you need bookkeeping cleanup, I'll help you get your books cleaned up for tax season and help you implement this 100K tax strategy to save you 100K in taxes.